If your JSS just dropped, don't panic. You're not alone, and no, your freelance career isn't over. A few weeks ago, a friend of mine dropped from 100% to 72% literally overnight, with glowing public reviews on every job. Confused? So was he. But once you understand how JSS actually works, you can fix it fast. There is a hidden rule most freelancers learn the hard way. Public reviews are not the full story. Your job success score is based mostly on private feedback. Clients might say nice things in public, but then give a quiet thumb down behind the scene. That's what crushed my friend's score. And here's the twist. Upwork looks at your jobs over 6, 12, and 24-month windows. It picks the best one. So one bad project might hurt now, but if your last 6 months are solid, you can bounce back faster than you think. So let's find a solution to this problem. Sit back, relax, let's dive in. My mission is to help 1,000 freelancers hit 100K income without guesswork. I've done it myself and I'll show you how to do it too, step by step. Let's break this down into 5 key things you need to know if your JSS drops. First, why did your score drop? You finished a job, the client gave you 5 stars, so what happened? Private feedback happened. It's invisible, but it counts way more than public reviews. If a client had even a slightly bad experience, they might rate you lower privately. That's what the algorithm cares about. Second, how JSS is calculated. JSS isn't a straight average. It looks at success and failure across 6, 12, and 24-month periods and picks your best one. That means a single bad project won't wreck you forever. If you get a few strong contracts now, you can push that bad one out of the shorter window and recover much faster. Third, the money matters. Not all projects are equal. A $5,000 job holds way more weight than a $50 one. So if you bumped a big contract, yeah, that hurts more. But the flip side is true too. One great, high-paying client can boost your score faster than 5 tiny ones. Fourth, what doesn't work anymore? There used to be a trick. If you were top-rated, you could request review removal and it helped fix your JSS. Not anymore. Now removing a public review doesn't remove private feedback. And that's what JSS uses. So don't waste time begging support. Focus on moving forward. Fifth, what to do if your score drops. If you're still above 90%, breathe. You're okay. Clients still trust you. Your top-rated page is safe. Just double down on quality and over-communication to increase it to 100% as fast as you can. If you drop below 90%, it's time for strategy mode. Start with short, simple jobs that you know you can ace. Target clients with clear scopes and quick delivery. These are your JSS repair mission. Avoid big complex jobs for now. One more bad review could bury you. And never close contracts yourself. Let clients do it. That increases the odds of feedback being left. And here is a move most freelancers forget. Go back to your past clients. If you had a good relationship, just message them. Say you're available and would love to help with anything else they need. Even better, ask if they have friends or colleagues who might need help. Referrals are powerful. Also, think beyond Upwork. If you worked with people outside the platform, maybe past employees, agency partners, or friends with business, ask if they would be open to hiring you through Upwork. It keeps your contract official, and their feedback helps rebuild your score. Now, here's the good news. JSS updates every 2 weeks. That means every win helps fast. And remember those 6, 12, and 24-month windows. That bad project will eventually fall out of them. This is permanent. Should you care about JSS at the start of your freelance career? Absolutely. It's often the only signal a client has. A 100% score makes your proposal instantly more trustworthy, and 90% plus keeps you in the top rated club. But if you drop below 90%, you lose that status and the invites slow down. Keeping a clean JSS isn't about perfection. It's about staying in the game, playing smart, and if you got hit recently, don't beat yourself up. Every freelancer goes through it. The ones who bounce back are the ones who stay calm, stay sharp, and execute the comeback. If this helped you, hit subscribe. It tells me to keep making videos like this. I made a free guide to help you grow your freelance income. You'll find the link in the description. And if your JSS dropped because of one bad project or a difficult client, you'll definitely want to watch this next. 3 types of clients that waste your time. Trust me, it's a game changer.